Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I am docLUXURY and I'm here with another video for you. This time I have a box here, so that means I have an unboxing for you guys. So stay tuned to see what I got. Alright, so, and excuse the same wardrobe as a video that I had on here before, but I am trying to do more videos right now because I do have some time. And to be honest with you, this has been in the box for about 2 weeks now. And yeah, because I wanted to do this, you know, with you guys and share with you guys what I got. And so let me go ahead and open it up. I'm trying to see what the best way is to open this thing. So here is pull tab, and these never work. Let's see if this will work this time. It worked all in once. Okay, so let me, here is my blade, and there is some tape here. I will also cut into this. Okay. And now I posted about this sort of like indirectly on my Instagram, and I posted, so isn't it, how do you guys feel whenever you know, place an order online, especially, or even when you're in the store and you get the last item? I mean, do you think it was meant to be? Do you have a sigh of relief that you didn't wait any longer? So this item in particular, let me go ahead and open it up here. So let me show you guys what's inside. You guys can see there's an envelope that says Dior. And let me show you guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So I have seen this type of box before. Okay, let me put this down because I have no space here. Oh gosh. And I'll just take the box out. So this presentation is just so amazing. I wish there was in my other box they gave me a shopping bag, but this one they did not. At least I don't think they did. No shopping bag. Okay, let me put the box down there and let me show you guys this. And so I wish this was in the Christmas wrapping or the holiday packaging, but I think that's only for the women's pieces. Well, let me go ahead and unbox this guy with you guys. Alright. And so the story behind this is that they released this after the initial release of the pieces from Kim Jones's first collection with Dior Homme. And I was so lucky to be able to order you know, the pieces that I have, because they have been selling out like crazy. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this box is really hard to open and so annoying. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. And then so this piece was online for I think at least 2 weeks before I, you know, decided to go for it. And so let me show you. There's just a sticker there, but I won't tear it. I will just slide it out. And then when I decided to finally order it, right after I ordered it, it it said, what did it say? What does it say? It says the same thing with Louis Vuitton. It says call for availability or something like that, or it was just out of stock. And so I basically got the last one, and I was just so lucky because I didn't wait a second longer. So let me go ahead and untie this. Oh no, okay. Jeez, why is this? Okay, I'll try to fast forward through this part. Okay, finally got it. I'm so excited to see this because I have seen it on Instagram and it's just very, very pretty. Okay, let me go ahead and, here, let me show you a little bit of it. Could you see? Could you see? I think this is called the Dior oblique pattern. Let me go ahead and take it out. So here you go. So here is, this is the saddle bag that Kim Jones basically reinvented, because this is now also, let me see if I remember how to do this. No, I go like this. So it goes, no, that's not right. It's supposed to go over this shoulder. There you go. So it sort of looks like that, but okay. So you guys, if you guys have been following my channel, when the drop happened online for Kim Jones's first ever collection with Dior Homme, you guys saw that I was able to get a very similar looking bag. I was able to get this one, which is in the black colorway, and just something about this did not, you know, scream Dior. It doesn't have the D just like on the women's bags. The only logo is on the back here. It says Dior right there. It's hard to see. Come on. Anyways, it says Dior. And then on the buckle, it has a... It's really hard to do with this light. There's a CD right here also. I know it's really hard to see that one, but there was just something a little lackluster that I thought this bag had that I wish, you know, it just had a little bit more pizzazz. Now, and I always, the white trimming here, it wasn't my favorite. And you guys are already starting to feel that maybe I will not be keeping this bag, because now I have this bag. And when I saw this one on Instagram, I was like, wait a minute, where the heck did you get that bag? And then, you know, suddenly, you know, there's a second drop on the Dior website, and this one was part of it. And I, you know, I waited because I still had to think about it. Will this be just a trendy piece that won't be as popular, or what? But I finally, as you guys see, I finally went ahead and bit the bullet and I got it. So let me go ahead and go through this bag with you guys. So it does have a, and the nice thing about this also is that it has a black buckle. And you guys can see there, it says, it'll focus, geez, this camera sucks. It says CD for Christian Dior, okay? And let me go inside the bag itself. There is a magnetic closure, okay? And there is a zipper right here. And then on the inside, here is the care booklet, and I believe the authenticity card is in there as well. It's in there. Alright, here is just some stuffing. More stuffing. And it's just a black inside, or yeah, it's black in the inside of the bag. But the reason why I wanted this bag is because it does have the classic Dior oblique pattern, and I just think, I don't know, I like to have things scream a little bit more than, you know, just a plain leather bag. Now I know, like Hermes bags, if you don't really know what those bags are, you're not going to be, you know, too impressed by them. But, you know, everybody's all about, you know, the monograms of Louis Vuitton. And so if you didn't really know Hermes, like I said, you're not really going to know what these bags are. And I just thought with this one in particular, it was just a little bit too plain. And so I am, you know, I will be selling this piece, unfortunately, because I am going to be keeping this one. Or let me know what you guys think. Should I keep this one and, you know, get rid of this one? Now I could only keep both. I mean, I could only keep one because I don't want to, you know, I have a tendency to get things that are very similar or the same thing in different designs, but I have to stop that. I just only want one to be able to, you know, just commemorate Kim Jones's first line at Dior. But anyways, that's all I really wanted to say for this video. I just wanted to share what I got. I am just noticing, so here's a silver buckle, but the hardware here is black. That's kind of weird, but anyways, I still love this, the look of this bag. Is that really cool? But yeah, so that does it for this video. Hope you liked it, and thanks again for, you know, tuning in and sharing this unboxing with me. And yes, just stay tuned for more. And until next time, just remember to be you and stay confident. Take care, you guys. Goodbye.